students, this lesson is for quarter 4, week 6, measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. Our objectives we have at the end of the lesson, you should be able to, number 1, illustrates the measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode of a statistical data. Number 2, calculates the measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. Please like, share, and subscribe to Ma'am Des Math Tutorials. Hit the notification bell button to alert you of the latest video lessons. For all questions, comments, and suggestions, please put them down in the comment section below. Let's start with the introduction. In the analysis of data, we have what we call summary measures, which are numbers that measure various properties of data. There are types of summarizing measures. Number 1, measures of central tendency, and number 2, measures of variability. So for this time, we will discuss only the measure of central tendency, or for the next weeks, we will discuss also the measures of variability. Now, for measures of central tendency, it is any measure representing the center of a set of data arranged in a decreasing or increasing order of magnitude. Okay, so from the word central, it means center. These measures include the mean, median, and mode. Okay, consider the set of data in the table. We have 3, 5, 2, 4, and 6. Let us use counters to make stacks that match the table. So look at the counters. We have 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. Now let us move some of the counters so that all stacks are of the same height. Okay, so what did you notice? So as we can see here, we have 4, 4, and 4, and 4. So all the stacks have 4 counters. The set of data can be described by the number. It is the mean of the set of data. Let us know the computation for measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. Consider the conversation below. Good morning, Shaidel. What are your math scores in our 7 quizzes? Good morning, Rodley. My scores are 6, 8, 11, 7, 11, 12, and 15. What about yours? My scores are 8, 7, 10, 7, 12, 11, and 8. From the conversation above, who has better scores, Rodley or Shaidel? Why? Okay, so let's find out. Let us have the mean of ungrouped data. In comparing numbers, we need to find a single number that will represent the entire distribution. In this case, the mean or average will give us the best idea of who scored better. Mean is commonly referred to as the average of all values. It is the most popular among the measure of central tendency, for it is widely used. However, it is affected by extreme values. Okay, so if we have to compute the mean, add all the scores and divide the sum by the number of scores. The mean is denoted by the symbol X, read as X bar. Okay, so again, how to compute the mean? Add and divide the sum by the number of scores. Okay, so next formula. We have X bar. This is the mean. And then we have sum of the scores. Okay. Next, let us find the mean scores of the 2 learners. Rodley's scores, we have 8, 7, 10, 7, 12, 11, and 8. Okay, x is equal to summation of x over n. So you have to add 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 7 plus 12 plus 11 plus 8 is equal to, and divide it by 7. So equals to 63, and divide by 7, we have 9. So mean is equal to 9. Okay? Okay, Scheidel scores are 6, 8, 11, 7, 11, 12, and 15. For the formula, x bar or mean is equal to summation of x all over n. So we have mean is equals to, add all the scores and divide it by 7. So we have 70 divided by 7 is equal to mean is equal to 10. Okay, so from these answers, you can now compare Rodless score and Scheidel scores. Okay, so whose scores are better? So we have Scheidel has a higher mean, which is 10 than Rodley, who has 9. Therefore, Scheidel has better scores than Rodley. Let us have the example number 2. Find the mean of the following data. Okay, so we have the given value 3, 5, 9, and 11. For the frequency, we have 2, 1, 3, 4. So it means that there are 2 threes, 1 5, and then 3 nines, and then 4 11s. So for this given, we can have the formula mean is equals to summation of fx over n. To find the mean of a set of data in frequency table, which means x, or multiply x in the set of data by f to obtain fx. Find the sum of fx, and number 3, find the sum of n. And then mean is equals to summation of fx all over n. For the solution, we have to add the frequency. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4, it is equal to 10. Okay? And now let us have the fx, or the value of fx, or f, or frequency, multiplied by values of x. So it means 3 times 2 equals 6, 5 times 1 is 5, 9 times 3 is 27, and 11 times 4 is 44. And then get the summation of fx, which is 82. Now, let us have the formula. Mean is equal to the summation of fx all over n. 82 divided by 10 is equals to 8.2. So, mean is equals to 8.2. Therefore, the mean is 8.2. Next, let us have the median of ungrouped data. It is the middle value in the set of data arranged in increasing or decreasing order. So again, median is the middle value. It splits the distribution into halves where 50% of the scores lie above the median and 15% lie below it. Okay? Now, the median of the odd numbers of scores items is the middle number when the scores items are arranged in order of magnitude. Okay, so meaning, let's say the scores are 5. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just look for the middle value, and that is the median. Next, if the number of scores is even, the median is determined by computing the average of the two middle numbers. Then, median is denoted by the symbol X, read us. X tilde. Okay. So for the even scores is even, to find the median, so just look for the average of the two middle numbers. Okay, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have the middle 3 and 4. Okay, so just compute the median or the middle scores. Okay. Next, example 1. What is the median of scores given? Rodley's score. Okay, so Rodley's scores are, we have 8, 7, 10, 7, 12, 11, and 8. So for you to easily identify the median of these scores, let us have arranged this from lowest to highest. Okay, so we have 7, 7, 8, 8, 10, 11, and 12. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 numbers or 7 scores. So just look for the middle. So which do you think is the median or the middle scores? So let's find out. So we have 8. So yung nasa gitna po ha. So yung middle. So it is easy to identify again if we have odd scores or odd numbers of scores. The median again, or the median score is 8. So in symbol, we have x tilde is equal to 8, or the median is equal to 8. Next, example 2. Find the median in the set of scores 84, 96, 71, 82, 67, and 92. So again, arrange these scores from lowest to highest. Okay? Since there are 6 scores, so ayan, ito po yung example natin ng even number of scores. So we have 6. The middle scores are 82 and 84. So ayan, so we arrange from lowest to highest, 67, 71, 82, 84, 92, and 96. Okay, so the middle is 82 and 84. So from this, if the given is like this, you have to find the average of the middle score. So 2 middle scores. Okay, so 82, ayan, plus 84 divided by 2, so equals 166 divided by 2 is equal to 83. Or pwede naman po extend na lang natin ito. And then we have 82. Ano po bang nasa gitna ni 82 and 84? So it is 83. So pwedeng hindi na siya mag-add kung ganito po yung given. Okay? Pero kung malaki, syempre, you have to add and then divide it or get the average divided by 2. Okay, so hence the median score is 83. So gets po. Next. Let's proceed to the mode. Mode is the most frequently occurring score. The symbol denotes the mode. Yan. And then it read as X hat. Okay, so look for the symbol ha. It read as X hat. Next. Examples. Find the mode of the following set of numbers. So again, tandaan po natin ha, most frequent occurring score. So yung may mas maraming score na nag-appear. So yun po yung mode. Okay, given. Number 1, 10, 14, 13, 14, 14, and 12. Okay, so kitang-kita po natin alin po kaya ang mode dito. And then, how many modes do we have for this given? Let's find out. Ayan. So we can see we have 14. The number 14 frequently appears or most frequently appears. So, siya yung may mas marami. So, ilan? Tatlo yan. Okay? And then, the number of modes, we can identify it as 1 kasi 14 lang yung number niyon, di ba? So, 1. And then, types of mode, we can call it unimodal. And then, for the symbol, we have X hat or the mode is equal to 14. Next. Number 2, 8, 7, 10, 7, 12, 11, and 8. Okay, so look at the number of modes. Which do you think are the digits or the numbers of pairs most frequent? So we have, okay, 8, 7, 7, 8. So 8, dalawang 8, dalawang 7. So how many modes? Ayan, so we have 2. Then, if there are 2 modes, we can call it as bimodal. So tandaan, 2 modes, we can call it bimodal. And then for the symbol, so we have, ayan, mode is equal to 7 and 8. Now, for number 3, 7, 7, 1, 1, 9, 9, 8, and 6. So think of the number of modes. So ilan po kaya ang mode dito? May dalawang 7, may dalawang 1, may dalawang 9, at meron pong isang 8 at saka isang 6. Let's find out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. We have 3 modes and then we can call it as trimodal. Okay, for the symbol, so we have X hat is equal to 1, 7, and 9. Right? Now next, for number 4, 78, 87. We have 90, 86, and 80. How many modes? Meron po ba tayong nakita na may magkakaparehong number? So I think it's none. So none, and then types of mode, syempre no mode, and then wala din po siya dito sa symbol. I hope you understand the mean, median, and mode of the ungrouped data. So let us have the exercises. Calculate the mean, median, and mode. For number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us compute the mean of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let us have first the formula. We have x bar is equal to summation of x all over n. Okay, so meaning we are going to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and then plus 5 and divided by it by n. So by n, count the numbers of scores or digits. We have 5. Okay? So add mo lang po yan, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. So equals 15. Then divided by 5. So therefore, we have mean is equals to 3. Okay? Now, let us have the median. For the median, since it's already arranged in lowest to highest, so our median is, or the middle score, as we can see, we have 3. So again, our median is equals to 3. Now, for the mode, so as we can see, okay, we do not have mode for this given number 1. So you will answer no mode. Kasi bakit? Wala naman pong magkakaparehong digits na nag-appear. Okay? So let's proceed. Number 2, calculate the mean, median, and mode of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So again, the formula, mean is equal to summation of x over n. So we will add 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 all over. So the number of digits we have 6. So the sum is 26 over 6. The mean is approximately 4.33. So let's proceed to the median. Okay, since we have 6 digits, we are going to get the average of the two numbers in the center, which are 4 and 5. Okay, so 4 plus 5 is 9, and then get the average, which is divided by 2. So we will have 4.5. So 4 plus 5 divided by 2, it is 9 divided by 2. So we will have 4.5. Okay, so the symbol for mean is equals to 4.5. So our mean is 4.5. And then for the mode, since as you can see, the most frequent digits appears is 6. So we will have x hat is equals to 6. So our mode is 6. Since it is one mode, we can call it as unimodal. We have number 3, 6, 7, 5, 4, 5, 6, 2, and 5. So find the mean, median, and mode. So first, let us arrange this from lowest to highest. So we will start from 2. Okay, 4. And then as we can see, okay, 2, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, tatlong 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we have 6 and then 7. Oh, wait, sorry. We have 2, 6, ayan, and then we have 7. Okay, now, so let us have again the formula, summation of x. Okay, wait, let us write first the symbol for mean. Okay, so we have x bar is equals to summation of x all over n. Okay, so 2 plus 4 plus tatlong 5. Ayan, plus 5 plus dalawang 6. And then plus 7. And then divide it by 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have 8. Okay. So our answer is 40. Yan, 40 divided by 8. And then mean is equals to 5. Okay, for the median. So since it is 8, so look for the middle score. Ayan. So it is between 4 and 5. Tama? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then 5. Okay. 40 scores and 50 scores. So, yun po yung gitna natin, etong dalawang to. So, therefore, since they have the same 5, so 5 lang sila, so our median is equals to 5. Okay, and look for the mode. The most frequent, we have tatlong 5 sila. So, our mode is also 5. So, let us end our discussion by a mathematics quote. The beauty of mathematics only shows itself to more patient followers by Mariam Mirzakhani. Thank you for watching and please support Ma'am Desma tutorials. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.